Hey, welcome back to Artsy&Crafty with Mares. Today we're doing little trinket boxes made out of resin. There's a square, a love heart, and an octagon. I'd run out of the epoxy. I didn't make enough for the octagon, so only part of that is done, and I'll have to do that again. So enjoy. Okay, here I'm mixing up the resin equal parts, part A and B, but this is not always the case. You just have to read the instructions on your epoxy resin. Make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom thoroughly, and when you do make a big batch of resin, be prepared to put them into cups. I made the big mistake not long ago, and I left it in a big cup, and it all started heating up and it blew up like a balloon. So it's not very good. So make sure you separate the resin into equal parts of cups, and then put your glitter or your paint or your ink or whatever you are putting into your resin, and learn from my mistake. And this one I just made a blue glitter. And when you're doing these molds, just be careful that they do accumulate air bubbles. So get a toothpick or your stirring stick or something just to go around the sides and try and get all the way down to the corners. And these lids, they're a bit tricky also, because you've got to get right underneath the lip, and that was very hard. And if you don't, you will get the air bubbles. I quite liked the way these turned out. I love that blue. It's just to die for. And it turned out well for my first attempt. I've never made them before, so I've had the molds for ages and I just haven't had the chance to do that. And here is the love heart one. That turned out all right as well. The only thing is with the hexagon one, you'll see in a minute, I tried to get under the lip as much as I could and I still managed to get air bubbles. So I don't know why.